Drayton from Georgetown, South Carolina. I'd like to talk with you today about my new book, Watermelon Faith. Watermelon Faith. That's right. This book will help you to discern what is going on in our churches today. There's a lot of deception going on in the church. Watermelon Faith opens your eyes. It shows you what Satan is doing in our churches today. If you want to be inspired, if you want to grow and have a deeper relationship with the Lord, this is the book for you. Watermelon Faith shows you that we do have wolves in our churches, but they are not showing themselves as wolves. They're pretending to be sheep. Do you know how to recognize wolves in sheep clothing? Watermelon Faith. This is the book for you. I had to die exposing witchcraft in the church. You don't believe witchcraft is being practiced in our churches today? Then why would my pastor tell me that he would bury me in 90 days if I exposed that he was practicing witchcraft in the church? Why would he try to destroy my family? Why would he try to destroy me? You need to read this book. I give my testimony of how God delivered me from the hand of the enemy who tried to destroy me using witchcraft. We serve a mighty God. These are some of my other books: Sweet Success After Bitter Defeat, Feathered Wisdom, and Silent Speaker. These are some books to really get you rolling on your walk with the Lord. I'm Evelyn Drayton. God bless you.